Ain't no way.
Hey guys, welcome back to the KenKay show. Today we are going to be doing a DIY on a Bath Fizzy kit, and we got it from Five Below, and it was $5. It says that DIY crystal bath fizzies, and it makes two, and there's two of us, so yeah. And it comes with crystals on top and stuff. Okay, so now we are going to be unboxing this. So this is glued. Yeah, it's glued to the box. It's really hefty. So it's a big, well, it's not that big, but it's a bag that comes with the instructions. You can help me label all that nicely, since you know how to organize stuff. Here, go put those together. And here are some stuff that we're going to be needing. I think those are the gloves, Mommy. I think these are the
gloves?
Yeah, they're in a tiny pack, and then this is like the spray. These are the crystals. I don't know what this is. Okay, so we had the gloves that came with the set, and these kind of were a no-no. So, and they feel like trash bags. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in the box, and we have our own gloves, and we also have these measurement spoons, and we're gonna use the red one since we have to measure the sodium or something. And we have some bath salts, which are the crystals, some citric acid, and some sodium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate.
That's close enough.
I can't say it. And then we have a bowl and spoons, a spray bottle full of water already, and 2 pods to make the bath bomb. And I don't know if we're gonna try this out in the bath, but maybe not. But let's get on to the video.
Okay, so I have the instructions, and the girls are going to follow the instructions that I give. All right, so number 1, put on gloves to protect your work surface and to protect your hands.
Okay, so these big ugly. These are like hospital gloves. The hospital gloves are like blue, right? No, they're
Sometimes.
Sometimes they're blue, like if you're a surgeon.
Depends.
So our hands are protected.
Okay.
First step done.
Now you're gonna measure 11 tablespoons, which is gonna be the red one, of sodium bicarbonate into a bowl. Which one is the sodium bicarbonate?
Good job.
All right, let me open it for you.
It has glitter in it. So it has glitter in it, so it's gonna be.
Does it?
Yeah, it has glitter.
Oh,
If
it
you look
is.
really close to it, the sodium has that.
So we're gonna do 11 tablespoons. So Kennedy, you could do this one, and Kaylee, you could do the citric acid part.
Okay, so
count 11 scoops of the sodium. You want me to hold it for you? So you don't spill it.
So just count 11 into the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here's one.
Oh no, not a full one, not a full one. Put it back. Yeah, there you go. Not like a mountain of it, just enough.
One. Here's one. Ready. Oh, I didn't get it all. Oh, geez.
Kaylee. Okay, so we got 11 scoops of the sodium bicarbonate. Okay, now we're on number 3, which is measured 3 tablespoons of citric acid into the bowl. So here's our citric acid.
How many scoops?
3. Yeah.
3
tablespoons of citric acid. Hold that up. 4. Mix well with hands, breaking up clumps. So, Kennedy, why don't you get in there first? That bowl's kind of little. Trying to make a mess. So, go ahead and break it up a little bit. Mix it up with your hands, and then we'll let Kaylee have a turn.
There's so many clumps in here.
Is it? What does it feel like?
Oh, it feels like snow, but like dry snow and
Sand.
yeah.
Right, now, Kaylee, go ahead and mix it up. Break up the clumps. Alright, so, is it all broken up?
A little more breaking.
Okay, so number 5, fill a spray bottle with water, which we already did. And spritz powder 1 time. Mix well with hands. I'm going to spritz it once and let Kaylee mix it a little.
Okay, and then I'll mix it up a little bit after.
Go ahead. Mix up.
Kind of looks
Don't overwater. Test measure squeezing in hand, and if it holds together, it's ready. If not, add 1 more spritz again. Together, it should you should be able to put some in your hand and it kind of holds together. No. Is it still powdery?
It's still powdery.
Be careful. You see, getting it all off the bowl. Okay.
It's still powdery.
All right, let's spray it again. Try it now. Mix it all together.
I feel like I'm in a cake competition.
All right.
Still not coming together.
So it's kind of sticky.
Just need to spritz it.
I'm gonna spritz it 1 more time. I probably shouldn't though, but I just am.
The watery it is, the watery is. Ooh.
Okay, yeah, it kind of looks like the picture.
Can I see?
Okay, so let me show.
This looks like a galaxy.
Let's kind of stick it together.
This is so cool.
Don't do that. Alright, let me see. Alright, so get the other mold. Bring both halves together, twist the mold back and forth. So I'd like maybe a little bit more humble. I wonder if it needs a little more water. I don't think this will come out right. Nope. You gotta let it sit like this for 2 hours.
For 2 hours?
Yep.
That's
Then they give you 1 pod. You can't even make 2 at a time.
2 hours?
So there you go. So per instructions, this is the mold. You take 1/2 off and you let it sit for 2 hours. Our little jewels are mixed up in there. I forgot to put them back at the bottom the second round. So we add a little bit more water, and I guess we'll let it sit for 2 hours and then we'll come back.
Mommy, can I take off?
Yes. Yes. Yes, it did. It
What is
did.
that?
That's a feel.
It was supposed to be a bad Fizzy. It was. Come here. Okay, so would you guys buy that for a gift for someone, or is that not a good recommended gift?
That's not a good recommended gift.
Well, it was only $5, so it's the good thing about it. We didn't waste too much money.
Question of the day is, drum roll, please. What is your favorite DIY? I'll do a slime DIY. I would do slime too, because we're about slime.
I think we should do a video about edible slime.
That's what Colin Keys did.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that real soon, real soon. Okay, we'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And
It's a bee! It's attacking!